Hello everybody. Today, see, I have made this last part on the same topic as you have seen in my previous videos also. I have told you the multiplication of three large numbers together. And you look here, this is my part 6. And this is something is special here. I want to discuss one more special trick. See, what is basically this? Here, multiplication of three large numbers, but with special combination of the multiplication of trick of 11. I have to discuss with you the multiplication trick of 11 and how two tricks you can use at the same time to solve this. Now let's discuss that. Trick to multiply a number with 11. See, this is the trick, okay? Trick to multiply a number with 11. Suppose you have 24, you have to multiply it with 11. How will you do that? See, 24 my last number is 4. Write down the last number as it is, okay? Now you add these two numbers, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. You write down the number which you have added, okay? 6. Now first number is as it is, so you write down 2 as it is. Again I am telling you one more example. You take the case of 32. Okay, 32 multiplied by 11. As here I told you, what is the last number? Last number is 2. Write down the last number. Now you add the two numbers. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. You write down 5 here. And now here, what is the last number from left hand side? Last number from left hand side is 3. So you write down 3 here. And this is your answer. See, only this trick I wanted to discuss with you. And here you can see when you are multiplying a 2-digit number by 11, in these two cases you have not done the cases of carry forward. Now I am taking with you some examples when you will do the cases of carry forward. Now you see, if I am doing 47 multiplied by 11. Okay, I told you how will you solve it? Write down the last number as it is. 7 is the last number. Write down 7 as it is. Now when you will add these two numbers, there is a difference. Okay, what is the difference? 7 plus 4 is equals to 11. Now 11 is a two-digit number, so here you can't write down 11. See, if you will write down this 11 here, this will be wrong. Okay, so you can't write down 11 here. 11 is a two-digit number. Okay, so you can write down here only one digit. From 11, one digit, 1 you have written here and 10 you have carry forward. Okay, now you have to write down here 4, but in this 4 you will add this 1. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So 517 is your answer. Now let's discuss some other cases also. Now see, if you have to multiply 68 into 11. Okay, 68 into 11. As I told you, what will you do? Last number here is 8. You will write down last number as it is. Now you will add 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. Okay, 14. From 14, you will not take two digits. You will take the unit digit. Okay, 4. Write down this 4 here and 1 will be carry forward. Okay, 1 you will add with this 6. So you will get here 748. Now let's discuss some more cases here again. If I take 96 into 11. 96 into 11. So I told you how will you solve it? Write down the last number. 6 is the last number. Write down 6 as it is. Now 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. So you got here 15. But 15 is a two-digit number. So you will not write down 15. Only the digit at the unit place is 5. You write down here 5 and 1 will be carry forward. And what will you do with this 1? You will add this 1 with this 9. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So here you can write down here 10. Okay, so this 1056 is your answer. Now I am going to tell you one more case. Okay, one more case I am going to tell you here. Now let's see, you multiply here 98 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. See, 17 is a two-digit number. So the unit place is at 7. So you write down 7 here. 1 will be carry forward. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So here you will write down 10. Okay. And you see this video is special in the case I had to discuss this trick of 11 only. So I have made this special video for you so that I can combine. See, this is a combination. Okay, here I have written combination also. This is a combination of a trick of multiplication with 11 as well. Okay. Now you see I have taken this question. What is special here I will tell you. 788 multiplied by 789 multiplied by 781, and you see these numbers are close to the base 800. You know, to find out this you have to find out a slash b slash c, and you know the multiply here is 8 as you know. So you have to subtract 788 from 800. So what will you get here? So if you will subtract 789 from 800, you will get. If you will subtract 781 from 800, you will get here. Okay, see this is in minus. Okay, now you know how will you find out the value of C. To find out the value of C, you will multiply all these differences. Okay, minus 12 into minus 11 into minus 11 into minus 19. Now I have discussed with you the multiplication trick of 11. 12 into 11. See, 2 you will write down here. Then 1 plus 2 is 3, then 1 you will write down here. Okay, and minus into minus is plus, then you will write down here minus 19. Now this portion I have solved for you already, so I am just going to write down here directly. See, when you will multiply this, okay, you will get here minus. Okay, so I am going to write down the value of C here. Now you see, you got the value of C. I have written here. You have to find out the value of B. Now to find out the value of B here, you will write down here the multiplier. You know multiplier here is 8. So you have to now multiply two terms. Okay, what are the first two terms? Minus 12 into minus 11. Then what are the next two terms? Plus, यहाँ पे plus आएगा. Okay, here plus minus 11 into minus 19. Then again plus. What are the next two terms? Minus 19 into minus 12. Okay. Now see, you have to solve this. 8 is outside. Now you have to multiply 12 with 11. So 2 you will write down as it is. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. Okay. Now here 19 into 11. 9 you will write down here as it is. 9 plus 1. See, take care of this. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. See, this is important. Why I discuss all the questions? Why I am discussing so many questions on the same topic? Definitely something is very important. Now you got 10. So 0 is at the unit place. You write down here 0 only, and 1 you will carry forward. Okay, 1 you will carry forward, and 1 I am going to tell you here 19 you have to multiply by 11. Okay, so I told you the trick. 9 you will write down as it is. Okay, then you will do the addition of these two numbers. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 you know is 10. Okay, so from 10 0 you will write down here, and 1, this 1 is carry forward. Okay, this 1 is carry forward, so you will add 1 with this one. 1 plus 1 is 2, so you will get here, okay, 2. 2 when you will multiply 19 by 11 with my trick. Okay, I have done this multiplication using the trick. Okay, so here you will get 209 and you have to multiply now 19 into 12. So here what will you get? Here you will get 19 into 12 is 228. Okay. So now see this portion I have already solved for you. You have to now add 132 plus 209 plus 228 and then you have to multiply all that with 11. So what will you get when you will solve it here? You will get here 4552. Okay. So now the value of B I am going to write down here only. Value of B I have written. So to find out the value of A, you know multiplier is 8. So write down the square of your multiplier. You have to write down the square of multiplier. Now in all my previous videos I have told you that you have to make your calculation easy. Now you see if you will add 11 and 19. So in your mind you can clearly say this is 30 and there is no need of carry forward or something else. Okay, but if you will do this 12 plus 19 then you will add carry forward. These are, see, abhi these are small numbers. Directly you can add when the differences will be big, higher. Okay, when the differences will be higher. So you will not be able to do the calculations in your mind. So make your calculations easy by converting the numbers in near their base. Now you see 11, 10 plus 10 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So you can clearly do this work in your mind. Okay, so how will you do? If I am taking the 11 and 19, so I will not take this 12. I am writing this 788. Okay, 788 I have written here. So I will not take this 12. I will take minus 11 minus 19. Okay. So here you 8 8 is 64. Then in bracket. Now see this is minus 30. In your mind you can then write down here 788 minus 30 is equals to 758. So when you will solve this, I have already solved this for you. You will get here 48512. So I am going to write down the value of A here. Okay. Now you have to do the balancing. So value of A is 48512 slash value of B is 4552 slash value of C is minus 2508. Now as in base you can see two zeros are here. So when we will do the balancing here, we will start from this part. Okay, C part. Here you can see 08. So 08, this is 2-digit number. Okay, so here you will write down only 08. Look at this 25. Okay, this 25 is extra, minus 25. This is minus 25. So what will you do? 4552. B part you will write down here. Then you will do here minus 25. Okay, here you will get. Okay, so you will get 4527. So slash. Now in place of 4552 you will write down here 4527 slash now 48512. Okay, but you see this minus is here, so you will write down here minus also. Abhi you see this is in minus, so to make it positive, this is negative. To make it positive, what will you do? You will borrow 1 from here. Okay, 4527 minus 1. Okay, so 1 you have borrowed, 1 you will write down here, and how many digits are here? 2 digits. So you write down 2 zeros here, minus 08. So 100 minus 08, this you will get here 92. Okay, so in slash here you will write down 92. You see this part is important. Okay, 4527 minus 1 is, you will write down here 4526. Okay, slash write down as it is. Okay. Again, you see, you have to keep only last two digits. 92 is okay. Now from 4, 5 to 6, what are the last two digits? 26 are the last two digits. This 45 is extra. So you write down A part. A part is 4, 8, 5, 1, 2. So extra is 45. You add 45 with this. Okay. So what will you get here? Okay, now you got this 4, 8, 5, 5, 7. Now you see here, this is your answer, because in C part also now you have 2 digits, in B part also you have 2 digits. So you write down this as it is. Now this is your final answer. Okay. Now you look at this question. 39,989 multiplied by 39,961 multiplied by 39,987. This is also difficult, okay? And the base here is, you can clearly see 40,000 and base is 40,000. So your multiplier is this first digit 4 and you have to find out A slash B slash C. Now, if you will subtract 39,989 from 40,000, what will you get here? And if you will subtract 39,961 from 40,000, what will you get here? And if you will subtract 39,987 minus 47, what will you get here? Now you see here, definitely I have made this video especially for this 11 only. Otherwise there is no new purpose that why I have made this. So you have to find out the value of C. So this is minus 11, this is minus 39, this is minus 13. Okay. So here you will multiply minus 11 into minus 39 into minus 13. Now the special case is 11 into 39. Okay. See 39 में से you will write down 9 here as it is. Then what will you do? These are the 2 digits. So you will add these two. 9 plus 3 is 12. You will write down here 2 as it is. 1 will be carry forward and 1 you will add with this 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So when you will multiply 11 with 39, you will get this in positive. This is minus into minus is positive. Then you have to multiply this with this minus 13. So here you will get this portion I have already solved for you. So here you will get minus 5, 5, 7, 7. Okay. This is the value of C. So I am going to write down the value of C here. Now you have to find out the value of B. So to find out the value of B, write down the multiplier here. Okay. Now you have to multiply two terms. What are the first two terms? Minus 11 into minus 39 plus, what are the next two terms? Minus 39 into minus 13 plus, what are the next two terms? This minus 13 with this minus 11. Okay, make it close. So 4. Now see 11 into 39. Only to solve this I have made this video. Okay. Now you see last number you will write down as it is. Now you see 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. Write down here 2. 1 will be carry forward. 1 plus 3 will be 4. Okay. So you write down this. Now 39 into 13 will be now plus, now you see 13 you have to multiply by 11. So 13 में 3 is last digit, write down 3 as it is. Now 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So 4 you will write down here. Now this first number you will write down as it is. Okay, and when you will solve 429 plus 507 plus 143, and when you will add all this, you have to multiply it with 4, and what will you get? I have already solved this for you. See, you will get here 4316. So value of B I am going to write down here only. Now you have to find out the value of A. Okay. Now see, I told you that try to make your calculation easy. Now see, 11 and 39, minus 39 and minus 11, 30, 40, 50. In your mind only you can do it 50. Okay. You convert, you take the digits where you can make the calculation easy. See, here it will become 50. Okay. This will become minus 50. And if you will subtract minus 50 from the number, it will be much easier. And if you will add first this 39 and 13, then what will you do? You will carry here also, then you will subtract there also. Okay, so that will be difficult. Minus 39 and minus 11 will be minus 50. So these two terms I am taking together to minimize my calculations and make it easy. Now I am taking this A square. Okay, A square is 4 square. Okay, I have to write down here. Last number here is this 39,987. As you know, when you will take this 39,987, you will not take then minus 13. Then what will you do? You will take another two terms, minus 39 and minus 11. Okay, this I have explained you in my previous videos also why this is important. Okay, you see my previous parts also. Now this is 4 4 is 16. So now this is minus 50. Easily you can subtract from this minus 50. Okay, so what will you get here? Okay, now this is making your calculations easy. And this portion I have already solved for you. So here you will get 638,992. Now this is the value of A, and I am going to write down it here. Now you see here, this is the value of A, B and C. So in A slash B slash C you have to solve out, and I have written all this. Now you see in base there are 4 zeros. Start from this portion. These are 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are 4 digits, but this is in negative. Okay, so what will you do to convert this negative into positive? You will borrow 1 from here. This is 4316. So 1 you have borrowed, 1 you will write down here. So 4 digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 zeros. Okay, and you subtract this. Okay, 5, 5, 7, 7. What will you get here? Okay, now you got this 4, 4, 2, 3. So in place of this negative term, you will write down this positive term. Okay, 4, 4, 2, 3, and in slash. Now see here, what you have done? 4, 3, 1, 6 minus 1. Okay, because 1 you have borrowed from here. So now this is 4, 3, 1, 5. Okay, and slash 6, 3, 8, 9, 9, 2. And now you see, you write down all these numbers together. Okay, you write down, remove these slash and write down all these numbers together, and this is your final answer. Now please listen. See, I have made this video deliberately, as I told you, only and only to discuss about the trick of multiplication with 11. Now you are a master to solve this. Okay, why? Because already I have made 5 videos on the same topic. There was no need to make this. But special, only one thing was very special, the multiplication of this 11. So for that I could not leave anything for you. I don't want to leave anything. only one point was left, so for one point only, one extra part I have made for you. So you see this and try this special trick of multiplication with 11. And thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.